The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at the subject of a hacked Google account. First of all, I'm really sorry that this is happening to you. It is one of the worst things that I can imagine. And as you can see from here, the user help community for Google accounts, there are loads of users with the same problem. The most important thing to understand about Google account recovery is that it is completely do-it-yourself. No ifs, no buts, there is no way around that. There are no exceptions. You and only you will need to use the self-service recovery flow for a hacked Google account. But if there was a YouTube channel associated with your hacked Google account, you may be able to get additional help. I say may because that actually requires for you to report the hijacking of the YouTube channel within 9 months of the hacking of the Google account. If it's gone beyond 9 months, you will not be able to get any help. And the reason for that is that once 9 months have passed, the evidence of the hacker being in your Google account and your YouTube channel will have been purged from the system. The process of reporting a hijacking is what often is referred to as the 48-hour hijacking form, and it is also known as the specialist form or the manual escalation form. And this is what the form looks like. Now, you might think that this is going to be the answer for you, but unfortunately, it isn't that simple. Not only have you got to report the hijacking within 9 months of it happening, but you also need to know the channel ID and the @handle of the hijacked YouTube channel. And those pieces of information are not always the easiest to find. Without them, because as you can see, these fields are required, you will not be able to report the hijacking. In fact, if you don't have them, you won't even be able to access this form. And the information that's required on this form is quite detailed and lengthy. And once you submit it, you then get one of two answers. YouTube will come back to you and they'll say, yes, we found evidence of hijacking, and let's try and get you back into your Google account. And they will then instruct you on how to try and access the hacked and now disabled Google account. If, however, they come back and say, sorry, we didn't find any unusual activity, that means either it's been longer than 9 months or the hacker didn't leave any traces. And in that case, there is no way that YouTube can help you. Because not every access that we think of as unauthorized or by a hacker or by a scammer is in fact proper hacking. And unfortunately, that's then the end of the road, because you cannot provide evidence that they haven't already looked for. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.